Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. Today I have a quick flooring tip. As I remodel my kitchen, as you can see all around me, I just put the new subfloor in and we are putting in the finished floor right now. And with that, I figured I'll show you a little tip. I used to do a lot of flooring back when I was renovating a lot of houses and townhomes when I was still in school. But let's go ahead and jump into it. What this is whenever you're trying to put a floor in and you're going to a wall and it's not necessarily even, you can see that. Instead of doing a lot of the measurements and everything, what I do is I like to scribe it, and it's something that I learned a long time ago. So let's flip the camera. Okay, so what I do, and this is the most popular, this is the life-proof flooring. This is the most popular flooring I think that's been on the market for a few years. But I'll line it up exactly with the tile. This tile that's going to go to the wall, I'll line one up right on top of it. And then what I do is I actually go just a little bit, about 1/4 of an inch past for this lip here. So we're 1/4 inch past right there. We're lined up. And we're square. So then after I lay this piece down, what I like to do is I take this piece. So now this is the second piece, and what I do is I slide it all the way to the wall. And I get the angle of the wall, make sure that I'm lined up with the corner right here. And this is at the edge of this tile, so we're gonna line it up. Now if we take a look here, you can see that we are not square at all. So we are actually way off, but this gives us the perfect angle. So we take a pencil, we mark this. We'll move this one off. Take the quick flooring cutter here. I can't cut this because this isn't something you can cut with a knife. All right, so now we have our angle. Now we'll take it to the saw, we'll cut it, see if it fits. Okay, so now we're at the saw. We are square against the back. Now all we're going to do is we're going to line the blade up with the angle, and I've already unlocked it here. Okay, let's see how we did. We're gonna lock it in here, push it down to the front, and as you can see, it's tight to the wall. It's good. Actually, I have a little bit of a gap in it. This flooring says you're supposed to have somewhat of a gap there, so that's good. Put it down. Let's make sure you tighten it up so it's square and you're good to go. All right, everybody, I hope that this helped you in some way. If it did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I really hope to see you in the next video.